Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create your very own short film using AI, and it's step by step. It's super easy, and all you need is ChatGPT to help you write prompts, and then Veo3 inside Google Flow to generate the actual video. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your ChatGPT. This will be your assistant to create the perfect prompt, and then just type a request to generate a prompt for your video. For example, I write a request like this: make me a prompt to generate a short film in Veo3 about an adventure story like this. And then ChatGPT will give you a structured prompt with descriptions and dialogue like this. It's perfect for Veo3. And next, just copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Like this, and then now go to Google Flow, tap on Create with Flow, and then tap on New Projects, and then paste the prompt in. Okay, like this, let's play the video.
This map better be right.
Like this, and next, just repeat this step for another scenes. Next, and then if you want to extend your story or add more scenes, it's really simple. Just click on, but make sure you already turn the desktop size mode like this. And then to add more scenes, just add 2 scenes like this, and then tap on this plus button, and then just use either jump to for a new chapter or extend to continue the current one. Then just go back to ChatGPT, ask for the next part of your story with new dialogue and actions, and then just copy the new prompt in here, and then just paste it, and then just copy the new prompt and then paste it into Google Flow in here, over here. And then just repeat the process until your short film is complete. And okay, that's it. You just made a short film using AI. You can experiment with the different genres like adventure, romance, science fiction, and more. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.